So, what is a virtual environment? Well, a virtual environment is an isolated environment that we create to house a single project. We keep the Python interpreter, aka our Python software, Python libraries, either the third-party libraries or the ones that came with our Python software, whatever, and all our Python scripts and programs that we write or will be writing in future, we house all of them together inside a virtual environment. It's an isolated environment, it's a sandbox. So professionally, when you are working with Python as a developer, either you are asked to create your own virtual environment or you work in an already existing environment. And how we create such a virtual environment, that we will discuss shortly. For now, just understand this. We keep all the dependent related softwares and tools that work specifically for one project into a virtual environment. What you do is you create a virtual environment, you have an instance of Python along with the different software tools, libraries, and packages. Inside that, all of them work together. We can create multiple instances of such virtual environment in our system. Such environments are isolated from each other. It's also isolated from other libraries and scripts which are installed globally in the underlying operating system. So, what's the purpose of creating such environments? Well, all the virtual environments can run smoothly without causing any conflict whatsoever with other such virtual environments. My operating system will never complain of any conflict between two virtual environments. Such environments also help me organize the work. For example, I can have both the Python version 2.7 as well as the Python version 3.8 both installed at the same time in my system in two separate virtual environments. I can have a virtual environment in which I create Python scripts that work nicely with Python 2.7. I can create another virtual environment at the same time for yet another Python project that works perfectly with the Python version 3.8. So let's dive into it. Let's do it practically to see how we create different virtual environments, activate them and deactivate them as and when we need.